how to install and download Discord in Windows 11. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can download and install Discord on your Windows 11 PC. So downloading and installing Discord is quite very easy. You have basically two methods by which you can do this. So the first thing is that we open the Microsoft Store. So you can simply open the Microsoft Store and from here simply search for Discord. So let me type in Discord and then hit the enter button. And now you can see here is the Discord application. Let's click onto this. And from here you can simply click onto this install button and it will download and install the Discord application with just a single click. So let us download this and here you can see that the download for the Discord has started and the download is around 110 megabytes. So once this download process finishes, it will automatically install the Discord onto this particular device, and you don't need to separately install any particular wizard or installer. So let us wait for this downloading to get finished, and then we can see that the Discord will start installing into this PC as you can see right here. So let's wait for the installation process to finish, and once this is done, we will launch our Discord. Now, while this is being processed, as you can see that this is done, we can simply open it and our Discord has been successfully installed and it is currently updating. Apart from that, if you don't want to use the Microsoft Store, what you can do is simply open the Google Chrome and or any other web browser and simply search for Discord, download and hit the enter button, and from here you can go to the discord.com website, and from here it currently says download for Mac, but if you want to download it for any other OS, simply scroll down and choose for Windows, and according to your architecture you can choose the architecture that you want. I'll choose the x64, and here you can see that the installer is being downloaded, and once the installer gets downloaded I can simply open the installer and it will install the Discord onto my PC. So that's how easily you can download and install Discord. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.